Bali and I'm in the kitchen with Caitlin.
Hi!
And she's gonna make an elixir. What you got there?
So we're gonna make a fresh coconut milk elixir. So what we used was fresh, hard coconut meat and water, and we blended that in the Vitamix and then strained it through our nut milk bag. So now we have fresh coconut milk, and now we're gonna spruce it up with some superfoods. So today we're gonna use some ashwagandha, which is really, really great hormone balancer, and it's a powerful adaptogen. It's a really amazing superfood for the hormones. We're also gonna use some lucuma powder, which is a natural sweetener. It's also very high antioxidant and it's slow glycemic. And then we're gonna use some pumpkin pie spice, just to spice it up a little bit. We're gonna have some vanilla essence to give it a little vanilla kick, and then some really awesome fermented bitter-free stevia. And you can also add to your elixir some cold brewed coffee, which we have here. You can add any tea that you like. Some reishi or chaga tea would be great in this as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and add a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of lucuma. And with the ashwagandha, we're just gonna do 1 teaspoon. This is for the 2 of us here. With these kind of Chinese medicine herbs, you just wanna start slow. So we're just gonna add 1 teaspoon, work your way up. Then we're gonna do a dash of stevia to give it a little nice sweetness. Then we're gonna do a whole dropper full of vanilla essence. And you can also use fresh vanilla powder if you didn't have the essence. And then about 1.5 cups of our cold brewed coffee. And we're just gonna whip this up in the blender. And we'll have a nice, powerful superfood elixir. Now you can serve this hot or cold. We are gonna make an iced coffee drink today because we're in Bali and it's super hot out. Just get these ice cubes in here. Yeah. And there you have it, an iced superfood elixir.
Yay! Let's see in there. Ooh, that looks so good. We can't wait to have it. Ha ha! Yay!